the tower truck. That ladder right back there will go 95 feet in the air.
Don't touch everything.
Well, they're not gonna hurt nothing. They can touch whatever they want. As long as your permission, they won't hurt nothing.
What do you think, Charlie? You like it?
So is this thing the training truck?
This truck here?
Yeah.
That's Battalion 51. That's Battalion truck. That's Battalion Chief.
What does this go to?
That right there, because of all the computers and the flashlights and all that, he plugs it in at nighttime so it keeps the battery charged. That's an auto injector.
So what does like?
Let's keep looking, James. Let's go towards the back.
That's what you plug into.
This goes in the auto ejector.
They're in class. Some of them are in class right now.
Oh, they're training.
Up here is, we have a big training room. Actually, it's on top of here. That's search and rescue and all that.
Very cool.
That's the back of it. That's the bucket. That's what you go in.
No. You don't have to.
If Daddy wants to put you, that's up to Mom and Dad.
Let's keep
air trailer. That's what fills our air bottles.
Oh, it's a Cascade trailer, guys.
I love that other one.
That's pretty neat.
Oh, I like this one. This convertible looking one.
Fire
Oh yeah.
That's cool.
This is
That's like the kind you see on all the
Is
signs.
that the one what you use for the parades?
Yep. This right here.
That is cool.
That's what built it.
Wow.
Very beautiful truck.
Marty's in charge of logistics. He actually, for 56 years, built fire trucks for a living.
Look at here.
Look like.
Wow.
That's what that fire engine used to look like?
Yeah. It has a removable cab for the roof.
Where is the cat?
No, we don't have that. Oh.
The cab originally didn't come with a cab. Then they added a cab to it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And then we took it off. Marty did put it back to original.
It's very nice.
Very
shape.
cool.
Right here. That's a suction pump. That's what opens that up.
Hello. I've been wondering what's inside that trailer.
That's all our fire prevention stuff. There's
T2.
So what is this?
Yeah, we have one in Brookfield. We're from
This
Brookfield,
right here?
Connecticut, so we have one up there too.
part of Connecticut.
Brookfield. Yeah.
This guy right here is brand new. We're putting her together.
I retired from the Hamden Fire Department.
This is what we call a Tech
Nice.
25.
Good for you.
When I came down
Oh, do you know he's from Hamden, Connecticut? Yeah.
A lot of people that are from Connecticut.
Yep. That's smart. No.
How many years did you do down there?
Did 21 years there.
This right here is what we call like an engineer compartment. You can open.
Do you love it down here?
These are all the levers.
Yeah.
This right here is what runs all the jacks in their truck.
I live just outside in a family area, they call it.
What's it called?
It's a family. We originally,
This
it's a
medical.
little earlier than we planned.
These right here,
These came down, both my sons came with us.
these are fans. All medical stuff's in the cabinet. It's in the cabinet truck.
It's nice, nothing like our neighbors, the guy right behind us, he's the lieutenant on my ship.
Can you believe this, Charlie? You were inside a fire truck.
Yeah.
James, check you out. You are making these little boys' days. This is amazing. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Bye, Dad. Are we moving now?
Yep, we gotta do a little bit of turning. The turning radius on these trucks are a little bit different than a car.
Hey, James, what do you think? Do you think you want to be a fireman one day?
Yeah. But I broke out of me and Florida and work this fire.
Oh, yeah? You want to be a village's firefighter?
Yeah.
That'd be an awesome job.
And here in Florida, I like this place.
Yeah, Florida's a lot of fun.
But I'll get to drive the fire truck.
You'd be the engineer. That's what we're called.
Yeah, James, I think you'd be a great engineer.
Really?
I think so.
I know I am because I know all about big trucks.
There you go.
See that minivan? That's mine.
Minivan?
Yeah.
You driving it?
No, my dad.
Oh, it's fine. No worries.
Yeah. Well, what are these things?
Hey, Firefighter Charlie.
What's that? Them are just like in the van, when you open the door up, they come on, and then the red one is for nighttime. That way the lieutenant, if he needs to see, he'll turn the red one on. Yeah. That way when I'm driving, it doesn't affect my driving. But see, that in front of you, that's a computer. And that computer tells us exactly where we're going.
Fire Elizabeth, 1813, Yankee Clipper Run, Fire 8, nearby.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, when the call comes out, that's what you heard on the radio, that's what we call fire dispatch. So everybody hears the call. And then they'll tell you what tack to go to. And what change.
James, is this just the best?
There are headsets. When you got the siren going. Yep. Yep.
Hey, Firefighter Charlie.
What's that? Them are just like in the van, when you open the door up, they come on, and then the red one is for nighttime. That way the lieutenant, if he needs to see, he'll turn the red one on. Yeah. That way when I'm driving, it doesn't affect my driving. See this lever right there? This one?
James, see that lever? This
Hold on
one.
that. Hold on
James,
this right here.
the yellow one.
Reach it?
Okay, good job. Okay. Honey, okay, good job.
I'm gonna film you. Show us what we got here. We're at the station 44.
Yeah.
What's this? Don't touch it. Just tell us what it is.
I don't know what
It looks like a Chevy Tahoe. Maybe
it could be.
looks like a Chevy Tahoe. What's this one? Don't touch it. This one says Chief 41 on it.
It's a T40 Ford Explorer.
Ford Explorer. What's this thing?
This thing is Melissa Dodd. This one has a curve.
This says Fire Marshal on the front and Chief 42 on the back. What do you think?